Good afternoon, everyone. Stay connected. We'll start at 3:05. A very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Ruberu 2021. My best regards to each and everyone present here, and a warm welcome to all the freshers. B. Vedant Panghal and Krishna, student of third year, will be your host for the today's event. To start with, we would like to welcome our faculties and express our gratitude to their esteemed presence here today.
To start with, we would like to welcome respected principals and faculties and express our gratitude to everyone present here today. This pandemic was a roller coaster ride for the whole world. With constant hope of getting a college reopening news, we spent almost an year in our homes. We missed our classrooms, practical sessions, college events, but most of all, we missed being with our IHM family. But we won't let pandemic seize this opportunity away. This event is organized for you and to welcome you all. So let's begin.
College is a place where we get to experience the most wonderful moments of our lives. Let us now enjoy a glimpse of ISM Jaipur, coordinated by Muskan Arora, student of second year.
Namaskar, Adab, Abhinandan, Abhar. I am Muskan Arora, a second year student of IHM Jaipur. College is a journey on the path of a career. It inspires us to do great things in life. And though we hit a bump in the road due to the COVID situation last year, our college never failed to motivate us and educate us through online classes. College is a very important phase in one's life. It is a journey where we make memories. We learn great lessons of life and make friends for a lifetime. We also get to know some amazing teachers who help us throughout our college and even after that. We welcome you all to our small IHM family and we hope that you feel welcomed and at home here, as we did before you. To show you our warm welcome, we, the students of IIM Jaipur, have prepared a short video for you, showcasing our college. आप कॉलेज नहीं आ सकते तो क्या हुआ? हमने सोचा कॉलेज ही आपके घर ले आए. This college sets high standards for its students and inspires them to become successful, be professionals, and an empathetic human being in life. This video is a beautiful tribute to our college, and I hope you all enjoy. चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं.
It is truly said, you never know the importance of a moment until it has passed. Our journey in college holds the same place of all of us and is definitely incomplete without the love and support of your faculties. Thank you, second years, for the beautiful video. Moving forward, I would now like to present a performance given by Ishan Sharma of first year Group 2.
मेरे हमसफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी गए सुन मेरे हमसफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी खबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती जिधर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर है जितनी हंसी मुलाकातें हैं उनसे भी प्यारी तेरी बातें हैं बातों से तेरी जो खो जाते हैं आओ ना होश में मैं कभी बाहों में है तेरी जिंदगी है सुन मेरे हमसफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी खबर है कि तेरी सांस चलती जिधर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर है
What a commendable performance. Compliments to you, Sham. College provides us with a bouquet of emotions and pathway for immaturity to responsibility. Under the guidance of the faculties, IHM Jaipur has successfully conducted a lots of events. Let us know now give you all a visual of these events through a presentation coordinated by Ritika Srivastav, a second year student.
बैठे बोर हुए करना है कुछ काम तो करते हैं पीपीटी लेके माइक्रोसॉफ्ट बाबा का नाम सो फॉर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग मी पीपल का Srivastava, a second year student of IHM Jaipur. I would like to take you on this beautiful journey of fun life IHM Jaipur, which is full of celebrations and healthy तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So at first let's get a glimpse of our college celebrations which with celebrate life with togetherness and unity among all. About Independence Day and Republic Day, the day starts hosting, followed by some cultural events, and we do sweet distributions too. Then comes teacher, when some of our third years enact the role of our teachers, take the classes of first years respectively for a day. A theme lunch is organized by the students, the cake cutting and some cultural programs. Now, most fun part, our college fest Umang. Various talents get recognition, beautiful bonds are made, beautiful memories are created. Badminton, volleyball, throwball, etc. take place. Cultural events like dance, music, and fashion, many more are held. Also, academic events like stall, bed making, mocktail making are part of it. Our college has always brought us close to our culture, tourism, and social awareness. First being Wada, where we go to certain places, interact, explaining them the importance of cleanliness and exam by cleaning that area. Next being Paryatan, which is celebrated on World Tourism Day, is for promotion by going to different tourist spots in Jaipur, the importance of tourism. Ek Bharat Resh is about how, despite being from different cultures, our college represents it by organizing exchange program and food fest. Now, in student program, 10 students are chosen on the basis of their academics and are sent to explore other IHMs and its. Who doesn't love food? Everyone. Right? So IHM Jaipur organizes a food festival. Sham is Ek State Ke Naam, in which the chosen nations on all the activities, including decorations and cuisines, and the guests and the invited too. Which competition? Certain number of them held every now and then to bring activity. Slogan writing and poster making, where we are provided with a topic and are supposed to make posters for the same. Nukkad Natak is very popular, and many of you must have participated in it. Our college spreads message of social by performing a small act every year. Are also held in our college to enhance our skills and improve our knowledge. Backbone of our college events, we have college teams, four core departments, which not just makes the work efficient, but also gives the student the opportunity to explore and get a detailed knowledge of a particular department. So, the cultural team is responsible for all decorations and cultural activities. The front office for welcoming of the guests and also resolves these guests have. The kitchen team is responsible for the guests with delicious, mouth-watering meals, making it more enjoyable. Last but not the least, food and beverage department team is responsible for providing service to the guests. और भी कई खूब इस आशिया की हमारी ये दिल अपना अभी जिंदगी के कई किस्से इंतजार में हैं. On this note, I would like to end here. And this little effort from our side brings out more excitement to college. Hopefully, this pandemic ends soon. I really awaits you. Thank you.
A sudden hit of nostalgia, I must say. Kudos to you, second years, for a wonderful job done. It's time for another performance by Raju Ranjan, first year student.
और दोस्तों, मैं राजू कुमार रंजन, मैं आप लोगों को कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक गुमनाम है, जो इस प्रकार है। नाम से कम चेहरा से अधिक पहचाना जाता हूँ मैं, कभी कभार ही दिखता हूँ, अक्सर भीड़ में ही गुम रहता हूँ मैं। यदा कदा मेरे प्रयासों की प्रशंसा तो होती है, वैसे निकम्मों में ही गिना जाता हूँ मैं, और पहचान के पीछे भागती इस दुनिया में गुमनाम कहलाता हूँ मैं। मेरा कोई दीवाना नहीं, कहीं नहीं चलता नाम मेरा, नहीं होता मेरे पास मतलबी लोगों का घेरा, और दिखावे के फेब से भी दूर रहता हूँ मैं। बेशक दुनिया मुझे नहीं देखती, पर हर किसी को बड़े ही गौर से देखता हूँ मैं, और शायद इसीलिए संतोष है अपनी छिपी हुई संज्ञा से भी परितोष है कि जो भी पाता हूँ अपने नाम में काम का फल पाता हूँ मैं। धन्यवाद।
Well done, Raju. Indeed, when it comes to talent, students of IHM Jaipur never fail to impress. And you are joining the league. To witness it, let's call upon Yash Santoshi, the third year student, to present in front of us a beautiful creation composed by him.
किसी मशहूर शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है कि जाते नहीं कहीं रिश्ते पुराने, किसी नए के आ जाने से। पर आज मैं ये कहता हूँ कि बन जाते हैं 100 अफसाने हंसी किसी नए के आ जाने से। A heartily welcome to all the first years to our IHM family. चलिए आप सबको ले चलते हैं एक ऐसे सफर पे जो आपकी जिंदगी बदलने की काबिलियत रखता है। स्कूल के वो आखिरी दिनों में जितना दुख स्कूल छोड़ने का था, उससे ज्यादा खुशी कॉलेज जाने की थी। मानो एक नए ही पैर पर लग गए हों, मानो आसमान छूने की आजादी। वो कॉलेज की करण जौहर वाली दुनिया, वो खुल के जीने की आजादी और नए दोस्त बनाने की खुशी। मुझे आज भी मेरी फर्स्ट ईयर की इंडक्शन का पहला दिन याद है, जब स्टेज पे खड़े होके प्रिंसिपल सर ने पूछा था कि यहाँ कौन कौन शेफ बनने आया है। मौजूदा हर एक व्यक्ति ने अपना हाथ उठाया था। आईएचएम की दुनिया का कुछ यही जज्बा है। कॉलेज लाइफ का फसाना भी कुछ यूं ही होता है। वो पहले दिन सज सवर के शेफ बना के क्लास में जाना, माफ कीजिएगा, जूम कॉल पे जाना। जैसे वक्त बदल जाता है हम जज्बात भी बदल देते हैं। हाँ, तो वो पहले दिन सज सवर के शेफ बना के जूम कॉल पे जाना, सुबह उठ के अब हर रोज तुम्हें क्लास की बजाय लिंक पे है आना, हम माना ये सफर वो सफर नहीं जो तुमने सोचा था। ना यहाँ कॉलेज कैंटीन का स्वाद है, ना सच हुआ तुम्हारा मास्क बंक मारने का ख्वाब। पर ए मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर पर ए मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर, थोड़ा सब्र रख, थोड़ा सब्र रख, हम मिलेंगे जरूर, बस कुछ वक्त के बाद, बस कुछ वक्त के बाद। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Yash, for justifying our feelings by giving words in the best possible way. Question and answer sessions give us a chance to enrich and deepen the experience and also prepare for the upcoming. And I'm sure you all must have having a lots of questions about the college, hostels, events, etc. Feel free to ask anything and we are here to answer them. Shoot your question.
Can I?
Come on, guys. Yeah, sure. Parth.
Hi. I want to ask that when a college is opening, I'm tired of being a virtual meet person.
May I
Hello,
answer?
Parth.
Vedant?
Yeah, sure, Parth.
Yeah. Hi, Parth. Yeah, this is a question that we all have. But we're hoping soon. We're getting some news super soon. So let's see till the end of this month.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else? Any questions? We're here to answer. So you can ask anything you want. You have any doubts regarding anything related to college? No doubts.
Come on, guys. It's an interactive
Come on,
session.
yaar.
It is you guys so that you can interact with us. Yeah, Kanishka. I think Kanishka is having a question.
Hi, I'm Kanishka. Yeah, actually,
Let's have Kanishka first.
hi, I'm Kanishka and I'm from Jaipur. So actually, I've had a very tough journey from 12th to first year of my college because definitely I've chosen like the most different field like my family could expect out of me as a hotel management. So, can you please share your journey, or is it been difficult for you as well, or was it okay for your family or for yourself?
Who'll answer this? Alina?
May I?
Yeah, Vedant.
May I?
Yeah. Sure, Alina, go for it.
So, Kaniksha, thank you for your question. And I found it very much relatable to me because same happened with me. No one in my family ever chose hotel management as their career option. But I would say that you have chosen the right field, and you will realize it when you come towards the end of this period, this course. Just believe in yourself and do whatever you want to do and achieve your dreams. It will be tough to sometimes cope up with the with all the situations and problems, but at last uh, when you succeed in them, you will be some a new personality, I must say. I hope I answered your question.
Yeah, sure.
I would actually like to add to this, Alina, if you don't mind. Okay, so
Go for it,
Kanishka,
Prachi.
yeah. So, Kanishka, this is a doubt, like my friend said, this is a doubt that everyone has because मेरी family में भी दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं था who was in this hotel industry. But for me, these 2.5 years, I'll say 1.5 year, 2.5 year, whatever it is, it has been like a roller coaster ride, to be very honest. I have learned so many things, and now when I sit with my school friends, I can proudly say that I have gathered so much experience, which is way better than them, to be very, very, very honest. So, yes, parents will also doubt. Our parents also had doubts. But then when you'll get through this, you will find yourself as a totally different person and you will love that person. Next question, anyone?
Thank you for that.
I think Manthan is
Thank you,
having.
Kanishka.
Yes, Manthan.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Manthan.
My question was, how was your journey? Like Prachi ma'am said about her, but anyone else would like to elaborate their IRS?
Manthan, actually, it's like it is way better if you will pass through that journey, then you will realize it how better it is. Like getting experience from others is not that much cool. Okay, once when you experience it now, you'll feel like, in my terms, you'll feel like awful. As it is a professional course, surely when you completed your graduation, you will turn into a new person, new personality. So just try अपना experience करो, don't go for others. Just enjoy it. Try to enjoy it. As I know, pandemic की वजह से we all are at home, but soon we are in college and we'll enjoy it.
It's a discipline course, so it's sometimes it's strict, but then we find our ways to have fun. So that's totally up to you. And everybody has different experiences. My experience would totally differ from Alina's or Archer's or anybody else's. But as a whole, we all have lived in the same hostel, Alina, Achal, and I, and Chitwan, and all the girls. So yeah, that is it. Everyone's experience is different, but then your experience would be totally different than ours. But it is fun. It's not like totally disciplinary है तो फिर बहुत ही strictness है, ऐसा भी नहीं है. So once college reopens, you'll get to know this.
Any more questions?
Can I ask a question?
Yes,
Sure, Rohit.
Rohit.
Good afternoon to all. My question is,
Very good afternoon, Rohit.
my question is how you see this industry, hotel industry, will perform in future. Like this coronavirus has affected this industry very badly, and many hotels and restaurants are closing in UK. I have recently heard news. What do you think about this?
Who's answering?
May I?
Yeah, sure, Vedant, go ahead.
Look, as of now, everyone knows due to pandemic that everything has been falling down to the ground. To be honest, tourism industry is at the ground right now. But don't think it like it will never bounce back. It is an industry which will definitely bounce back. I think none of us can stop traveling from one place to another. मैं नो अगर यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई है who will stop traveling after corona? Obviously not. Hotels will not going to be shut down. The industry will be bounced back very, very soon, and it will reach at the highest of its at its peak right now. Like everyone knows, due to corona, everyone is at their homes. So just after the vaccination process, this industry will get back to its track. It will take some time, I think, few months or 1 year. That's it. Then it will get back on track. Don't worry about that. You are in a great industry, and it will achieve the great heights. And surely you too.
Thank you for your answer.
I hope
Any
you're
more
satisfied with
question?
it.
Yeah.
Afternoon, this is Jivesh.
Hi, Javesh.
Actually, ma'am, I had a question. Yes, sir told in his spoon that everybody comes here with the dream of being a chef, but as we study and as we proceed our studies, we come to know that we are better in we can say AO, accommodation operation, or we are better in front office. So does this affect our studies, or does this affect a person in a way that they were here for being, they are not changing and finding a new, we can say, a new, like new interests. So does this change or affect the person?
Okay, may I?
I would like Divesh.
Okay, Prakhar.
Hi.
Prakhar.
Hi, this is Prakhar. Yeah. So your question is basically if you are pursuing hotel management to be a chef, right? And you come out to be another person whenever you pass your 3 years of degree, right? So the thing is, hotel management gives you an opportunity to find the best out of you. The personality that it develops in the 3-year course would be for you and you only. See, I have a lot of dreams. Like in my 9th standard, I dreamt of being a pilot. Can you believe? Being a pilot. So things change. I realized myself that I'm not good at maths or physics or whatever subjects that might be compulsion for being a pilot. So yeah, it helps in developing your personality from your point of view. That's what it is. If you find yourself a better person in front office or being interactive with others, you gotta switch from kitchen. You find it more feasible to join accommodation operation in spite of being a chef. That is your option. It opens so many ways to choose for your better future.
I would like to just elaborate more that as Jivesh has said now, that the IGM curriculum has been been made as such a way that you will get to know about everything, be it about every single department. So it's not just like that you are only getting into a culinary aspect. You will equally be learned about the front office, all the other departments, front office, F&B, a lot of things. So you should come with an open mind. There's nothing to be restrict yourself in a first year. The first year and second year, it's more about learning and knowing things what is actually is. At the third year, you can yourself are much aware in which forte you are more capable of doing things. Okay, so at that point of time, you can choose what you want to do in a particular department or a particular stream. So first 2 years, just be free, open mind, try to learn more things in every department. Don't restrict yourself to a particular department, be it or anyone. So it would help you to like improve yourself. That's all. Be open. Don't restrict yourself as of now.
Thank you so much, sir.
What a wonderful interactive session. I hope we are able to clear all your doubts and your queries. Don't worry, we all are here with you. You can text us, call us. We all are support you and we are with you. Now, time for some fun element. I would like to hand over to Sarthak Jaiswal and Yugansh Jain.
तो फाइनली इस बोरिंग मीटिंग में कुछ तो फन होगा.
सर आपका माइक म्यूट नहीं है.
प्रिटेंड करते हैं किसी ने कुछ सुना ही नहीं है. तो चलिए ले चलते हैं हम आपको अपने फन सेगमेंट, गेम सेगमेंट की ओर. ब्रेक द आइस.
सो गेम इज वेरी सिंपल गाइस. हमको फुटबॉल खेलना है.
युगांश वो दूसरे इवेंट की स्क्रिप्ट है.
ओह सॉरी सर, प्रिटेंड करते किसी ने कुछ सुना ही नहीं. So we are going to play a virtual Damshraz,
where you have to guess the song and movie names with some fun PPT. So let's get started. Can we have the first slide, please? Love found, jewels and wealth. Can anybody answer this?
Which Bollywood movie is this? Can anyone answer?
May I?
ढूंढ लेता है.
No.
नहीं. May I?
Yeah.
It's Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Correct answer. Can we move on to the next slide? Neither do you know, neither do I.
Can I?
Yes, you can. Navya?
तुम या जानो ना. maybe.
Correct answer, Navya. You must be a Bollywood fan then. Can we skip 2, 3 slides? Guess this song. Let's see.
Can I? Moja hi Moja.
Moja Moja. Correct, Rishu. Next slide, please. Guess this song.
चिट्ठी आई है.
No. Navya, can you?
कलाइयाँ, चिट्ठियाँ कलाइयाँ, चिट्ठियाँ कलाइयाँ.
Correct answer. Can we skip some slides, please? Okay. I die on you. Let's see who can answer this. Rishu, can you?
हम तुम पे मरते हैं ऐसा कुछ.
Correct answer. Okay, guess this song.
बोले चूड़िया
बोले कंगना.
Correct answer. Oh, so okay. I want you guys to crack this one. This one is a tough one.
मैं बढ़िया तू भी बढ़िया.
No.
संजू फर्स्ट ट्रैक.
No, Rishu. Quick guesses, guys. Okay, let me ask you. Anshu, can you answer this?
दिल में कहा है दिल से.
No, wrong answer. Keep trying. Okay, Neeraj Kashyap, can you answer this? Neeraj Kashyap. Okay, as if no one is getting this one.
हाल कैसा है
दो
जनाब?
दिल मिल रहे हैं, दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके. Can we have the another slide? This one is something. Let's see who can crack this. Anshul sir, can you crack this one? Anshul sir.
Sir, please give a try.
Okay. So this is Chand Sifarish jo karta hamari. Okay. On this note, I want to wrap up this session. Thank you, freshers, for participating. I
Thank
hope
you,
we got
Sarthak.
some.
Thank you, Sarthak sir, for your enthusiasm, and thank you, Krishna ma'am and Vedant sir, for giving us time slot for the game segment. Hope you all enjoyed, and thank you, first year, for your active participation. See you soon in the college. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, freshers, for sending us your entry for Mr. and Miss Talented. Stay tuned for the third meeting. We will announce the result in third meeting. So participants, please join the third meeting. Over to you, host.
That was really fun. Thank you, Sarthak and Yugansh. Now I would like to call upon Manthan Agarwal to present the vote of thanks on behalf of first year, Group 2.
Good afternoon, everyone. Second group, semester 1 is here to present my vote of thanks today. First, I would like to thank all our teachers and seniors who worked tirelessly and seamlessly to make this event happen. Then I would like to give a special thanks to all the participants who made this event more enjoyable. And last but not the least, all you guys who took part in it. Though these times are tough, but soon we will be meeting. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, Manthan. Hope you all enjoyed this event. Now I would like to invite Kunal Kumar, student of third year, to present the vote of thanks on the behalf of third year.
Thank you, Krishna. The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen, even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. Honorable Principal, Mr. Priyadarshan Rakhawat Sir, Head of Departments, Mr. Sanjay Arora, Mr. B.K. Srivastav, and respected faculty members, and our most valued invited first year students. I consider it a great privilege to present a vote of thanks to all dignitaries and students who have witnessed it as a memorable event. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty God for bestowing His blessings upon smooth completion of this event. I can't be enough grateful to our respected principal for organizing such a beautiful and memorable event. Also, I keep on record our indebtedness to all our faculty members for supporting us and guiding us always. We will always remain grateful to Aarti ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, and Prerna ma'am for being our mentor in planning and conducting today's event. I hereby acknowledge our extremely enthusiastic first year students for not only actively participating in today's event but also sending their video recorded performances in such a short period of time. Thanks for being a sport. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of IHM Jaipur who know their job and are result oriented. We remain grateful to Varun Popli and team who have been working day and night to make all video and audio presentations for today's program. And our fabulous hosts for today, Vedant and Krishna, for smoothly conducting today's event, even in such challenging situations. And I take this opportunity to thank everyone who was directly or indirectly involved in making this evening memorable. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. Respected principal, ladies and gentlemen, once again, we are grateful to all speakers in this meeting. We thank you for being with us this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. That's all for the today's event.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.